Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the recording foundation. Set the capture to your display's native resolution, typically 1080p, because scaling causes blur. Once done, pick 30 or 60 FPS depending on motion. Higher frame rates keep fast action crisp but need more CPU. Then choose a high bitrate or lossless encoder. This preserves fine detail. Make sure the output color format is 4, 4, 4 or 4:2, 2 if available. It reduces chroma blur. Now you're ready to configure sources and overlays. Once your base settings are set, optimize the capture pipeline. Select a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync when possible to avoid dropped frames and sharpening loss. Make sure your canvas and output resolutions match exactly. Mismatch scaling introduces blur, so disable automatic scaling filters or choose bicubic or a sharp filter. Close unnecessary apps and give your recorder higher process priority. This prevents stutters that force compressors to blur. Also, connect displays via high-bandwidth cables to avoid handshake downscaling. Finish by recording short, focus test clips and review them at 100%. That reveals real sharpness. If you still see blur, increase the bitrate, avoid any downscaling, or switch the encoder preset toward quality. Use slow or higher, but be mindful of system load. Make sure drivers are current, cables are high bandwidth, and the OS display scaling is an integer, not fractional. If artifacts remain, try a different capture tool. Sometimes software handles chroma and color conversion better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.